Today, we lay the first color. Hey guys, Tom here, and this is Not So Average Builder, and welcome again to another awesome video on the perfect grade Strike Freedom. Now, I had a bit of a calamity earlier. My microphone that I use fell into my dirty paint water because I was putting up a new light. I was sad, but luckily the mic was off, and I did a little quick test. Everything seems fine, so fingers crossed this entire video will still stay the same. If it does not, I greatly apologize, and I hate my life. I'm just kidding. Before we get into this video, I would like to say thank you to all who have subscribed to my channel so far. I'm at 220 as of right now. Amazing. Never thought I would get to this point, to be quite honest. I thought I was, just going to stay where I was. But I'm very humbled. I'm very grateful to all of you. You can share my videos. I'm going to try and put a video up maybe once a month on Facebook. Depending on how well that does, I may do a little bit more and do some snippets on Instagram to get more people not interested, but to put myself out there a little bit more. But for those who have never or who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now would be an awesome time to do so. Just hit that little subscribe button, or it'll look like this. And don't forget to ring the bell to be notified when I drop another video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Boom! And drop a comment below. If there's anything you have not seen on any of my videos that you would like to, that's the place to do it. Just drop it down there. I respond to every comment that pops up on my channel. There was an instance where I did not see a comment. For some reason I didn't get the notification. But I'm actively going through and searching through comments to make sure that I have responded to every single one of them, so keep that in mind. Take a little quick talk about my Patreon. I have one. I have two Patreons. I did, and I feel terrible. Sorry, Chris. I said someone's last name completely wrong. I do believe last week I said Chris Dispensia. It is not that. It is Chris Dispensa. Forgive me, Chris, please. And then Fiddlesworth Frank, and I will have a link in the description below for my Patreon. Tons of tiers, ways that you can help me out, so I can help you guys out and do more things, do more awesome things. Why not? I also want to start a 40k army. I am kind of looking into the Night Lords, and I want to paint up my army and take it to local games and just kind of show it off. I've never played before, so who knows how this will go. But enough rambling. Let's continue on with the general purpose of this video. Alright, so the first color that's going to be used, and you can't really see that. There we go. Look at that. I got a new light. The wife let me buy one. Alright, and just like that, with the power of movie editing, parts are done. I'm extremely happy with how this turned out. I like that darker, almost worn metal look. Everything turned out really, really well. Was 2 coats. It went down really well. It was just an overall good color. Scale 75 has some of the best metallics in the game, and they did not disappoint with this. It's amazing. And with the other golds that are going to be introduced into this, or the other metallic colors that are going to be introduced into the frame, these are going to really tie each other very well, because we're going to have some black metal in here, and we're going to have some black gold. And the black gold, as you remember, was kind of shinier than I expected it to be, so these will contrast off each other really well and look really, really good on the inner frame. It was a super simple process. Like I said, I just did a couple of coats. Did 1 key coat. So I guess technically I did 3 coats. I did a key coat and then 2 other coats on top. These are going to get ready to be clear coated so that I can continue on, and I'm going to just work in stages, I guess. I won't bore you guys with all of this and show you all that stuff, but just know that I will show you the next color and then the 3rd color for the inner frame. I will do that, but I'm not going to show you on the rest of the kit unless you want me to. That is another thing you can drop in a comment down below. But I think that's where I'm going to end the video. If you like this video, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, man, what are you missing out on? Remember, I'm doing my 300 subscriber giveaway, and I am really, really close to it. I'm like 79 subs away from this 300 subscriber giveaway. And that shot up a lot faster than I was expecting, so I'm awesomely humbled about that. But I'll stop rambling on now, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.